Hi everyone! Let's learn the letter K with our kangaroo friend. Do you know how to write the letter K? Try writing it slowly, step by step. 1, 2, 3. Uppercase K. Great job! Let's trace the dotted lines again. Uppercase K. Now, let's use an orange crayon to write the lowercase letter. 1, 2, 3. Lowercase K. Write it again. Lowercase K. Well done! This is a kangaroo. Kangaroo starts with the letter K. Kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroos have a pouch to carry their babies. Kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. Shall we see what else is inside the pouch? There's a kiwi. Kiwi. K is for kiwi. Shall we see what else is inside the pouch? And even a key. Key starts with the letter K. Key. K is for key. There are many letters written in the puzzle. Can you find the letter K and color it in? Here.
Let's go apple crunchy and sweet. B is for ball,
Found it!
C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, woof, woof, now. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swim all day long. Come along.
Good!
Learn the ABC. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning letters is so neat. G is for grapes, pop, pop, pop. H is for house with the rooftop. I is for
Great job! Now, let's cut along the letter shape with scissors.
L is for lion, king of the wild sky. Come along, sing with me.
Let's write the letter K.
Learning letters is so neat.
K! Very good! Here we have a kangaroo, a key, a koala, and a kiwi. Which letter do they all start with? Take a guess. The answer is K. Kangaroo, key, koala, and kiwi all start with the letter K. Well done! We've prepared a piece of colored paper. Let's draw the shape of the letter K on the paper. Imagine what the letter K looks like and draw it.
Yo-yo round and round. Z is for zebra racing the ground. A to Z, we've met them all. Let's sing again.
Very good! Now, let's cut along the letter shape with scissors.
Friends from A to Z. A is for apple, A. Red and round and juicy too. Take a bite, it's good for you. A is for apple, A. E is for egg, A. Crack it, cook it, breakfast fun. Sunny side up or on a bun. E is for egg.
Wow! We made 2 letter Ks.
Cold and creamy on the street.
Here's a letter piece.
I is for ice cream.
Let's find the right letter piece. The first piece.
Is for octopus, oh.
Nope, that's not it.
Arms in the sea.
The second
1, 2,
piece
3, count arms.
isn't right either.
Is for
The third piece doesn't match either. Then the last piece. Yes, that's the one. It's the letter K. Let's trace the letter K along the dotted lines. K. Excellent work!